In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix no sound for navigation directions in Waze. So grab your iPhone and let's go through this together like you're trying to fix it right now while sitting in the car. If Waze is showing directions on the screen but you're not hearing anything, this usually comes down to just a couple of simple settings. First things first, before even touching the app, make sure the volume on your iPhone is actually turned up. Use the volume buttons on the side of your phone and raise the volume while the screen is on. It's best to do this while Waze is open because sometimes the volume level can be different for media or navigation sounds. Just make sure it's not muted or set too low. Once you've checked that, go ahead and open the Waze app on your iPhone. Give it a moment to load until you're on the main map screen and everything looks normal. Even if you're not currently navigating anywhere, that's totally fine for now. Now look up at the top left corner of the screen and tap on the menu icon. That's the three-line button that opens up Waze's main menu. Let the menu slide all the way out so you can see all the options clearly. From here, tap on Settings. This takes you into the area where Waze controls things like navigation behavior, alerts, and sound options. Once you're inside the settings screen, look for the option called Voice and Sound and tap on it. This is the most important part when it comes to fixing missing navigation audio. Inside the voice and sound menu, you'll see different sound related options. Look for the setting labeled sounds. Make sure that sounds is turned on. If this is turned off, Waze won't play any navigation directions out loud even though everything else looks like it's working. If sounds is off, tap the toggle to turn it on. As soon as you do that, the change applies instantly. There's no save button, so once it's on you're good to go. If it was already on, you can still toggle it off and back on again just to refresh the setting. After that, you can back out of the settings and return to the main map screen. At this point, navigation sound should be enabled again. To be sure everything is working, you can start a quick test route. Just tap the search bar, choose a nearby location and tap Go Now. Once navigation starts, listen for the voice directions. If you still don't hear anything right away, don't panic. Make sure your phone isn't connected to another audio device like Bluetooth headphones, your car stereo, or a speaker. Sometimes Waze is playing sound, but it's being sent to a different device than you expect. Disconnecting or switching audio output can fix that instantly. Also double check that your phone isn't in silent mode. If the silent switch on the side of your iPhone is turned on, it can affect how navigation sounds behave in some situations. Flip it off if needed and try again. Another helpful tip is to raise the volume again while Waze is actively giving directions. Press the volume buttons right as a turn instruction would normally play. This ensures you're adjusting the correct audio channel. Once sounds is turned on and your volume is set properly, Waze should start speaking directions normally again. You'll hear turn-by-turn guidance, alerts, and warnings as you drive, just like before. This issue usually happens after an app update, a phone restart, or if sound settings were changed accidentally, so it's very common and easy to fix once you know where to look. So, just to go through it one more time in a smooth, natural flow, make sure your iPhone volume is turned up, open Waze, tap the menu on the top left, go to Settings, tap Voice and Sound, and make sure sound is turned on. And that's it, that's how you fix no sound for navigation directions in Waze on your iPhone. It only takes a minute to check, and once it's set correctly, your voice directions should be back and working normally for your next drive.